Hey everyone, my name is Tim Nichols, and today I'm going to show you how to record Skype calls directly into GarageBand for free without having to use any of the expensive Skype editions that allows you to record Skype calls. So the first thing that I'm going to do is download two different programs. The first one I'm going to download is Soundflower, and Soundflower is a pretty cool little extension where it taps into your sound card and allows you to record from two different outputs or inputs into your computer, but the input being from Skype. The next one I'm going to do is Line In, and both of these I got from Rogue Amoeba, and so far so good. I have not had any problems with Rogue Amoeba and any of the programs that I have downloaded through them. But you go here, rogueamoeba.com, and you will be able to download both of these for free if you have Mac. So we're going to come over here, and we're going to set up our Line In. So here it is. Now the first thing that we're going to do is check our output. So our output is going to be our Soundflower 64 channel right here. So you're just going to click the drop-down box, Soundflower 64 channel, hit it, done. Now our input is going to be from our microphone, my microphone being the ATR USB microphone. Yours is going to be different if you're using a different style microphone. I'm using the ATR 2100 just so you guys know. And from there, I'm going to press play through. So you don't need to do actually anything with Soundflower. It's just an extension that you're going to see when you're doing like different kinds of sound preferences through either Skype or GarageBand and this and that. You don't actually see it as a program anywhere, but you're always going to choose the 64 channel. So once I've done that, I've hit play through. We're going to come over to Skype, and we're going to hit these preferences. So we're going to go to Skype, preferences. We're at audio, video right here. You can see me. Hey, I'm Tim. So you're going to change these two right here. Your ringing, 64 channel, speakers, 64 channel. Make sure your microphone is your microphone. Mine's the ATR USB microphone. Booyah. So we're done. We can minimize Skype for just a second, and then we can hit GarageBand. If GarageBand wants to pop up. There it is. Nope, not there. There it is. So we have a new empty project. Boom, we choose that. It's going to pop up here in just a second. There we go. Choose input 1 on our microphone here. As you can see my microphone is working. Awesome, awesome. So we're going to go here. We're going to go to GarageBand. We're going to go to Preferences. We're going to go to Audio, MIDI. Now, my input device is going to be my USB microphone. Actually, I lied. It's going to be Soundflower 64 channel. That is what's going to be your input device. And my output device is going to be just built-in output. So we let that initialize. Okay, we go out of here. As you can see, oh, I can't talk anymore on this. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to add another one of these microphones. We're going to hit input 3 on the microphone there. And as you can see, I'm also right here. You can hear me talking right here as well. So another way that we can kind of just mess with the settings for the microphone and whatnot is we can hit this little guy right here. And we can hit this eye-looking thing right here. And you can like adjust your recording sound level. So the louder I talk, the more that the recording is louder, this and that. So once we've done that, we're going to close out of this, and we're going to go to View. Nope. We're going to go to Track Header, Show Record Enable button. You're going to see it gave me these two little buttons right here. We're going to go ahead and click those. They're blinking. So it allows you to know that you're enabling recording for both of these different streams of audio coming in. So I'm just going to get rid of these two. I don't need the count in, nor do I need the metronome for this situation. So what we're going to do as well is we're going to click this for our Skype call. This allows you to be able to hear the Skype call and hear the monitoring from the Skype call. So you want to click that. You don't want to click this, or else the more I speak through it, it's going to come back through the speakers. It's going to be a big echo loop. So what I'm going to do, actually, I'm just going to go ahead and label these. So this is going to be Skype. This is going to be Timbo, actually. We're going to go with that. So that's me. So we're going to go back here to Skype, and I'm actually just going to do a test call, and it's going to, let's see here if I can find out where the test call is, Skype test call, and you'll be able to hear it come through, and you'll be able to see it recording. As you can see, the Skype call is actually recording right there. You can see the different ups and downs of the frequency, and as soon as it goes over, actually I'm just going to stop it right here. Alright, so we stopped the recording, hit the space bar, we're going to stop, we're going to jump back here. And this is all just one big play in audio there. Now, imagine if that's just somebody calling in directly from any other Skype call, and now you're able to do that all directly here on GarageBand, which I actually like to use GarageBand, preferable to Audacity as far as Mac goes, because I can do this, and I have a podcast that is strictly interview-based, so this is perfect for me. I got to do it for free. I don't have to pay for anything. You just download a couple of different programs, and that's all you have to do. Thanks a lot for listening. You can always follow me on Tim Nichols on Tap at Twitter. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Tim Nichols. Come find me. Come chat. Let's hang out. And you can also catch my podcast, Brewing Business Podcast, anytime. And check out my website, brewingbusinesspc.com. Thanks for listening. I appreciate it. You have a good one.